D1100. This shop truck flavor, long bed, 304 automatic truck, 3-speed with a power steering and power brakes. This thing steers like butter. We've already done another video today that you may not have checked out. It's of a 23 T-bucket. We're getting a lot of nice inventory in, and a lot of eclectic inventory too. The T-bucket 70s flare with big plush interior, with 327 dual 4 barrels, 350 turbo trans, wheelie bars on the back, and she needs them. So check that one out too. There's a video online of it, or you can check it out at the TimShortClassics.net page. Oh, another thing that we're doing now, we are building a subscribers list. If you go to the website, TimShortClassics.net, and you subscribe any vehicle that we get in, that I get ready, we go through the shop, we check them out, we get it ready, we do the pictures and video, it's going to be uploaded a full 24 hours to the website and emailed out before it's ever put online. So if you're that guy that likes buying a car, or that lady that likes buying a car that it hasn't, no one ever been seen before, because you know we do get trade-ins, but most stuff we buy is nationally, so you know chances are nobody's ever seen it before. But if you subscribe, you get the first shot, and you'll get a members only discount as well. So check us out, subscribe to us, save you a little money, buy one before somebody else does. So the gauges don't, the speedometer works great in this truck. The wipers don't work, but the horn works. Just leave the wipers on for a minute. A lot of times they'll kick on whether or not been running forever. This truck, we've done exhaust on it. We've done, let's see, we tuned it up, did exhaust, and that's really all it needed. It's just a, you know, like I said, it's a shop truck, but it's clean underneath. The floors aren't rusty in it. It's got a little fencer on the outside of the bed, but it's kind of tasteful. It goes with the patina. So we'll let you check that out here in a minute. Oh, and the cigarette lighter does work. I found that out the other day because I had to use it. We're going to do the little loop up to the handy dandy airport. This hill has got a huge incline on it. I'm talking, it's not flat country, so usually this mountain will break out anything in a vehicle that we need to catch that we've not caught before. Oh, we did do door pins in this. Door pin bushings were more bad, and we put door pin bushings in it too. We're running 60 miles an hour, and I'm quarter throttle. See the steering, super easy. It's got a fuel tank built in the bed, kind of a fuel cell type deal, but it's cool. It goes with the truck. We'll show shows 12,861 miles on it, but I'm sure that's 112, maybe, who knows, 212, I don't know. It does have stereo in it. Hang on, I'll come on with you out. Your hands hurt you today. Stereo needs to be played with. Passenger side door sticks a little bit. Say hi. Here she is, guys. How many of these have y'all seen at the local cruise in? I would guarantee you not many. And the international guys are hardcore guys. She's got Coker white walls on it. Those aren't aftermarket knockoffs, 235, 75, 15s. She's got, it's a whiskey lick. That's what I was talking about with the fuel cell. She's got a little rust here in the corners that can be easily patched. It says International Harvester Motor Truck Service, which we got that from an old International Harvester sign. Sales parts and service. Sales service and parts. I'm a little backwards there. Little international action on the backside. Just got a little rust down here. Little action up there. I'll get down here on the ground here in just a second. Cokers on these things are new. Needs a gas cap just to fill it in, just to make it look a little better. You can see the patina on top. But this truck is sit outside at the shop for the last little bit. And it's rained, blah, blah, blah. We had snow this morning. Not just like a light flurry though. Here. But like I said, guys, I'm not selling a $20,000 truck here, so I'm not trying to tell you that. But for a good driver, pretty cool truck. Driver's side is as good as the passenger. Purrs like a kit. We don't charge extra for the Jack Daniels bottle. It says she is a 304. Power brakes. Power steering. We put a power steering pump on it. Forgot the last one had a little bit of a whine to it, so we had to find one aftermarket from, I think we got it from Jigs for it. AAA rated, $200 reward for arrest and conviction of the stealing member's car. 200 bucks. How many years ago was that? Oh, I do have a carpet kit to go with it as well. So if you want to put carpet in it, I ordered the kit. I've got it at the shop. Like I said, horn works. It does have a crack in the windshield right here. If you can see it or not, it goes all the way up. Looks like it's started down there at some point. Go around and open up the passenger side so you can look at it, and I'll conclude this ride. No ostriches were harmed in the filming and making of this truck. put door panels on it too. Somebody's loved this truck at one time. They've done some work to it. There you guys go. For $12,500, this truck can be yours with financing available. We can get this truck financed for you. 10% down, so $1,300 down, plus tax, title, license. Well, we can finance that in for you. Up to, I think, 84 months, which you know, a truck like that, 84 months, your payment will be $12 a month. But anyway, with 10% down and approved credit, you can be riding this truck today. We are offering shipping on this truck to the end of the month, nationwide in the 48 states. It can't get you to Hawaii or Alaska, but I can get you another 48. So look us up, timshortclassics.net. We have all the social medias at Tim Short Classics. Like I said, be sure to go to the website and subscribe for the daily deals and for the one-up program that we're going to be doing to give you a chance to look at cars before anybody else does. And subscribe to us on Facebook, Instagram, all that other stuff. And give us a like, share, subscribe here on YouTube. We're trying to grow our YouTube channel. I think we've got like 12 members so far. I think we're at like 1,300 or something, or somewhere in that range. But we've also got about, on all the other sides, we've probably got 20,000 total there. So just give us a like, share, subscribe. Thank you guys. Hope you all staying warm. God bless you all. Bye-bye.